there guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing guys? Hope you guys are doing good. We're going to be making some fried beans today guys, and we're just going to go into the preparation of our beans. The first thing will be to select your beans, wash your beans, soak in water, boil and wash again, and then I'll see you again. Okay, let's go. Guys, you want to start by putting some oil in the pot. So guys, once you notice that your oil is hot, fry your fish. I'll start by frying my fish because I don't want bones. The next thing will be to fry your onions. Guys, you can also include crayfish in your recipe, and if you want it hot or spicy, use habanero pepper. Guys, the next thing we're going to be adding will be our tomatoes. Stir. Fry your tomatoes till dry. Continue to fry till your tomatoes are dry. Add your spring onions. Mix. Let this cook for approximately 2 minutes. Add your ground ginger, garlic, and country onion. Stir. Add your chicken broth or water. Stir. Add your beans. Add your salt and your Maggi. Mix everything up. Taste to ascertain that your Maggi and salt are balanced. Cover this up and let this boil until the water becomes thick. See you later. Guys, guess what? Our beans is ready. The water has become thick and everything is perfect. Serve and enjoy with family, guys. You can eat this with dry plantain, puff puff, Irish potatoes, sweet potatoes, and any starchy thing of choice. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your time with me in the kitchen. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you guys in the next video. You guys are the best. Bye bye. Look at how thick this is. Perfect.